One, as we begin the play Much Ado About Nothing, I want to go over all of the resources that are available to you. I know that as a class, we will not be able to meet in our live sessions because I will be out for testing. So I will have a lot of information available to you. So if you go to the content in the classroom, and you go to Elizabethan England and then start in week 16, you're going to see a lot of helpful resources here. The first thing I want you to do is go to Prepare for Much Ado About Nothing. Since we're not in class, you need to make sure you read all of the pages because you're going to get that background information that you need to have in order to be able to be successful on these quizzes and on these assignments. So we have reading drama, terms related to drama, and understanding comedy, tragedy, and tragic comedy. Then there's helpful resources available to you. Why you should care, a character web to help you understand who everyone is, recurring symbols and motifs. And then now keep in mind, this is not going to fully replace your reading the text, but this will help give you that visual that helps you understand a play more. But there is a free version of the Denzel Washington, Keanu Reeves version of Much Ado About Nothing available. If you click this link here, you would be able to watch that. So I would highly recommend that you take the hour and a half it takes to watch that movie. It won't replace reading the text, but it really will help your overall comprehension of the storyline. So that is available to you. Additionally, as you go through the weeks, you're going to have to read Act 1 and Act 2. That's the only way you're going to be successful on the quizzes. And you'll see here that we'll have scene summaries, the online text, audio recordings, a modern translation, and there's an analysis of scenes that are available in video formatting. Take your time to watch this, okay? Really spend the time that's necessary to truly understand this. And you'll see that in every act that's available in the play. You'll see that online text, scene summaries, audio recordings, there's a lot available to you here. One big thing that I want you to keep in mind, start this now. You have this theme chart that is due in the last week of the semester. It is a Much Ado About Nothing theme chart. This is 13 pages long. Okay, it's long because I have the actual script on the pages, which makes it seem longer, but you don't want to wait to the last minute to complete all of this. One, you won't do as well because it's not fresh in your brain, and two, it's a lot of work if you wait to the last second. So when you finish reading each scene, you really should be completing each when you finish each act, you should really be finishing the coordinating questions that go with each act. Okay, so make sure you do that and keep the pacing guide in mind. Every week that is available in this class, if you look at it, I tell you what exactly you need to do each day in order to be successful in this class. So as long as you follow on with that, you should be fine. If you have any questions at all, I am available through email and I can help you there. Thank you so much, and I do hope you enjoy the play this week. Thank you. Bye.